Well, we're definitely going to need a number line for this one. So let's draw the number line and plot A, B, C, and D based on the instructions. Now, I don't know if the number line should look like this, or maybe it's the mirror image of this. But it turns out that for this question, it doesn't matter how we draw it. It won't affect the answer. So the question wants to know whether this length, dB, is greater than 5. And we're going to look at that right after this. So from statement 1 on its own, we can infer that dB is longer than 4. Now, if something is longer than 4, does that mean that it's longer than 5? I don't know, it may or may not be longer than 5. So statement 1 on its own is not sufficient, and we can eliminate A and D. Now, statement 2 on its own implies that this length of dB is greater than 6. So if something is greater than 6, can we tell whether or not it's greater than 5? Yeah, of course, if something is greater than 6, then it's also greater than 5. So statement 2 on its own does answer the question definitively, and the answer is B. If you like this approach, be sure to check out my book. It's all in there. What do you want me to talk about in my next video? Type it down in the comments below, and maybe I'll make a video just for you. Make sure you're subscribed, and click that little bell icon below so you don't miss any future videos. See you next time!